This Rose Realty property video is presented by Mike Garant. New furnace, still in the box A/C 8 years, water heater, 5 years, newer compressor 5 years, roof 2 years, vinyl siding 2 years, 24 by 24 carport, 8x16 storage building, wired, bathroom completed downstairs, replacement windows, ADT security system, ceramic tile in basement, laminate flooring upstairs, 24x30 deck, and many other updates. Subject to finding suitable property. For more information, review the details below or contact Mike Garant at 270-926-4203.